Welcome to this week's Zoe's Wealth Management Digest. We have three topics to cover today. First one is Fidelity's benchmark study for RIAs that came out recently. Second one is the Black Diamond announcement of a CRM. They're launching a CRM. And the third one is Envestnet's announcement of a delay of their custody platform. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. The Fidelity benchmark study came out. It's heavily anticipated. They surveyed 100 of RIAs around the country. The main takeaway from it is that on average, RIAs that manage over $1 billion saw an organic growth rate of 3.6% on average in 2022, which is much lower than what they saw in 2021 at 8.4%. This excludes market appreciation and M&A and that kind of noise. Frankly, this doesn't surprise me. When we interview, RIAs around the country, and we speak to hundreds each year, majority of them don't really grow that fast. They grow at, call it somewhere between 3 to 8%, maybe 10%. And the reason is because they rely on client referrals for growth, which is great. I mean, clients like them, but that's not a scalable channel, right? Once you get above $1 billion. The few RIAs that we do see growing much faster have other scalable channels to grow. They have a business development side. They spend on marketing, not just 2% of revenue, but 10%, 15% of revenue. So this doesn't really surprise me. Second headline, Black Diamond launches a CRM. The devil's in the details here, but it's essentially what they did is they are reconfiguring Salesforce to make it more specialized for what a RIA would want. We'll see how the execution of this will play out, but it's Salesforce. The third one is Envestnet announces a second delay of its custody platform to mid-2024. It was originally supposed to come out this quarter, then they delayed it to first quarter of next year. Now they're delaying it to mid-2024. What's the takeaway here? Is hard to get the timelines right when you have a bunch of different parties trying to align on launching something this big. All right, that's it for this week. Stay tuned for next week.